y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So to start this video off, I wanted to do an unboxing of the stuff that I will be using today. And in this first little packet, it contains the little nail separators, some UV gel removers, a 180 grit nail file, a wooden cuticle pusher, and I'm not sure what the last thing is, but it came in the kit. And then next we have this acrylic brush. I believe it's the size 14. And I'm so glad that I was able to get this while it was on sale. The next thing we have the acrylic liquid. We have a clear powder. And then we have a pink. And then we have a blue acrylic powder. But I will only be using the clear in this video. The first step in doing this set, I'm just pushing back my cuticles with my metal cuticle pusher. Once I push back the cuticles on all the nails, I'm just taking my smallest circle cuticle bit and just going over the surface of the nail near the cuticle to get all of the dead skin up. Once I finish doing that for all of the nails, I'm just taking my cuticle nipper and just snipping away what I can from my cuticles. And I just get what I can up because I don't want to cut myself and go too deep. So next I'm just taking my bigger cuticle nail drill bit and then I'm just going over the skin near the cuticle, and it doesn't hurt. As you can see, I'm doing my hand and it doesn't hurt at all. So this is a perfect thing to do if you don't want to use nippers and if you're scared that you will cut yourself. And then once I done that, I did go in and cut my nails because I forgot to. And here's an interesting nail hack that I learned by watching videos. If you don't have a peel off base coat, you can just use a thin layer of school glue, just apply it twice, and then once you finish your design, these nails will come off very easily if you want to take them off. And once I did that twice, I let them dry. These are the nails that I will be using. Once I sized up the nails, I'm just applying them with my KDS nail glue. Once I get all of the nails glued on, I'm just taking my straight edge nail clipper, keeping my stiletto shape, but just clipping them down a little bit more. Once that is done, I'm just taking the nail file that came in the kit and just filing down the sides. And then here are the nails. I like the shape, so next I'm just going in with my nail drill and taking my sanding band and just blending in the nail with my natural nail. And then also I will go over it and just remove the shine from the nail tips. So here I have it set up my powder, my liquid, and some acetone. In my last video with my acrylic nails, since I was having problems, someone in the comments told me to keep some acetone near it so I can keep cleaning off my brush, and thank you for that. So yeah, here I'm just getting a bead of acrylic and then applying that to my nails. The first bead, once I put it on my nail, it was okay, but then when I went to like brush it down and like smooth it out, it was kind of getting hard, so I think I used too much acrylic, and I was just trying to like pat that down, but it was very stiff. So once I got my next bead, I didn't put so much acrylic powder on it. The problem with my first bead was that I put too much powder on my brush, because as you can see here, it's not stiff at all. I was able to rub that down and smooth it out as best as I could. Not perfect, but yeah, it was as best as I could. So I tried not to do that for the rest of the nails. I cut the camera off so I could practice on my ring and middle finger, because they weren't coming out so great. But as you can see here on my index finger, I really do see improvement with laying my acrylic. Like, that is so much better than the first 3 nails I did. I mean, but they still won't come out perfect, obviously, because I need more practice with my powder to monomer ratio, and like just being not so heavy-handed to where like I just wipe off the acrylic. And doing acrylic, you just need to like just rub it so gently, because if you rub too hard, you will take off the product from the nail and you will just have to keep building and building, which I think that's what I was doing in this video, which is why it kind of took me too long, or so long. And I did have some dents in my nails, but which was fine because I just filed off the bigger parts with my nail drill. By the way, this is my first time using the acrylic system by Modelones, and this acrylic, from first impression, it is so good. But these nails weren't that great because I just need to work on my application. But yeah, this acrylic, it was easy to work with, and like the smell of the monomer wasn't even that strong. So yeah, these are the nails, how they turn out, and I'm just taking the hand file and just filing the signs to redefine the shape. Then next I'm just wiping off the nails, and I'm just going in with my ceramic safety drill bit to get around the cuticles and file down the surface of the nails. Once that is done, these are how the nails are looking, and then I'm just taking some 70% rubbing alcohol with the paper towel and just wiping off the nails. Once that's done, I'm just taking these two colors. The white is a gel polish and the black is just a regular nail polish. I did this first so it could take time to dry. And I'm doing the black on my ring and my middle finger, and then the white on my pinky, index, and thumb. And then I did go over with the second coat, which I edited out because I don't want the video to be too long. And after doing both coats of the white gel polish, I did add a matte top coat over them. I don't know where the clip went, but I let that cure for 30 seconds. So for the white nails, I will be doing some blood drips, so I'm just taking some regular red nail polish. So I'm just taking my dotting tool, dipping it in the polish, and just making some dots, and then kind of draw like some lines up for the drips. Once I do the drips, I'm just taking this little brush and just filling in the top with some more red polish. And then I also did the same look for the thumbnail, and then I'm just taking these water decals and letting them soak in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds. And once they soak for the recommended time, you should be able to remove them from the paper with no problem. And then you just take your tweezers, or however it's easier for you to place them on your nails. Once you get them in the position that you want, you just firmly press it down. And mine had a few wrinkles in them, but that wasn't really a problem with me because, like I said, I was taking these off once I was finished. I just wanted to do another Halloween video. And then I did the other nail, doing it the same way. And once I applied them how I wanted, I added a matte top coat to finish them off, and then cured in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And once that's done, these are how the nails turn out. As always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. And happy Halloween, guys. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, either the day before Halloween or on Halloween. Happy Halloween, and I will see you in the next one.